How you doing, YouTubers? I have a 2005 Chevy Cabot with suspected bad wheel bearing. Now, what I actually did to check that, an easy way to check the wheel bearing is first to jack your car up, put it on jack stands, and of course, wheel chucks, all for safety. Now, it's a simple way to check bad wheel bearing in a car. So what I'm gonna do is get in the car, have it on park, safety brakes engaged, turn it on, put it on drive. Now, as you see, the wheels are spinning on both sides. Now, for you to tell if you have a bad wheel bearing, just put your hand on the spring coil while the tire is spinning. And if you feel no vibration, which this side seems to be smooth, means that this passenger side wheel bearing is good. So now I'm going to the driver's side. Wheel still spinning. Putting my hand on the coil spring. Now this side has a lot of vibration. As I hold it, I can feel it with the tire still spinning. So that's telling me that this side has a bad wheel bearing, which is the driver's side. Thank you for viewing my videos, and I hope to make new ones soon. Okay, bye.